Hello my class 9 students. In this video, we are going to solve question 1 from the revision worksheet of class 9 ICSE Physics, and the topic here is sound. Okay, so let us look at the diagram. In the following diagram, we have a graph of two types of waves and the graph is given like so. You can pause the video just now and solve all these questions. Write the answers to this and then check back with my solutions. Okay, so shall we begin? So here we have the displacement graph. This is along your y-axis and the time is along x-axis. Name the two waves. Now this type of graph is for two types of waves. Which are the two types of waves? Number one, it is the transverse wave, and the second one is the longitudinal wave. Both of them are periodic motions, and anytime there's a periodic motion, we get a graph like so. So we finished with A, we come to B. What is the amplitude of the waves? Now, amplitude is the maximum displacement of the particle from the mean position. So this is the mean position. Maximum displacement is from here to here. So how much is this over here? This is 2 centimeters. See, on this side also, the lower part of the graph, here again you have 2 centimeters. So this is going to be amplitude equal to 2 centimeter, and underline that. We come to C. What is the time period? So now for time period, what is time period? It is time taken for one complete to and fro motion. Okay, so we have from here to here. This is going to be one wave, but on the time axis from here to here is 0.5 seconds. Can you see this time is in seconds? So our time period is 0.5 seconds. Make sure that you write 5 and second, which look different. Don't write your 5 like this and S like this. Okay, so we finished our B, C, now we come to D. What is the frequency? Now our frequency is F, which is equal to 1 upon T. We know this formula, so we substitute. It will be 1 upon 0.5, means it will be 10 upon 5, and that is going to be 2 Hertz. So this is going to be our answer D. What is our E? If it is a sound wave, would it be audible and why? Now audibility range is from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. So our frequency is 2 Hertz. Are we going to hear this? No. So we will say no, it is inaudible. Okay, and they are asking why. Since its frequency is not between the audibility range, that is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Okay, so we finish with E. Now we come to F. If the wave has a velocity of 30 centimeter per second, find its wavelength. So V is equal to 30 centimeter per second, and we have to find out the wavelength, which means lambda equal to how much. Now we already know that V is equal to F lambda. Therefore, lambda will be equal to V upon F. Yes, so we will say that lambda, which is wavelength, is going to be V upon F. Now V is 30 centimeter per second, and that upon how much is our frequency? 2 Hertz. Now Hertz means per second, so you will have 2 ones and 2 15. So 15 centimeter. And that is our answer for the last question based on this graph. So I hope you have understood how to solve questions based on graph like this. Keep watching, keep looking out for new questions, and in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.